It's not like Ford versus Ferrari. Have you watched that movie yet?
No, I still haven't had a chance.
It is so good. You gotta take a date out once in a while, not just into your camper.
Yeah. I should go to the movie theater.
Yeah.
No, just
You're
come
like,
over, just come over for coffee.
Come over into my house.
Yes.
I'm outside the movie theater.
Yeah. Yeah, we got all the wires, guys. What's the back here? What's the...
Butts up to it, doesn't it?
Could have put some grease on there, but yeah, just let's see. Let's pull up a little bit. Just no, it's on.
It's on.
Okay, so I'm gonna snap this on.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this on here.
That was that hard thing that you didn't think would come off. And then a couple bolts for the airbox. All right, lines start lining up the bikes. We're gonna get a rhythm, right?
Yeah, get a rhythm.
Everybody's like, send us their motor swaps. We charge $1,000 for an engine swap.
1,000?
You, QMAN and I,
like a pretty good deal.
we do it in 2 days. Well, we got to split that. It's only 500 each. It's barely worth our time.
It's hardly worth our time.
Yeah. I'd rather be dirt biking, making nothing but spending money. That's what life's about, right? But, you know, when you're injured, you know, sometimes you just got to do some mechanic stuff.
Sometimes, buddy.
All right.
Down a little bit. Right there.
Perfect.
Not too tight.
The next time I'm on a date, I'm going to like, hold on, I got to get the Loctite.
Want to make sure it stays in that hole.
You got it X'd in there.
You sure?
Yes. XXX.
XXX?
No, just 2 X's.
Okay.
All right. And then this goes right on your dash. That's why he put this foam here,
yeah,
because it rubs there. Because he got rid of that one little clamp.
Yeah.
Trying to make it freer.
Freer.
Free the world. All right, let's see what happens if we pull that off. See if there's anything in here. Oh, damn it, that's the problem with these tools. I can't get it out now.
You can't get it out of there now.
I gotta go back in. There we go. There we go.
Get it out, I gotta go back in.
Yeah, it's stuck. It's like when you have a fishing with a barb.
Yeah.
Like the tigers, they got penis
Stuck in
barbs.
there.
You know that? They got
Penis barbs?
Yeah. Like there was a little oil in there. He put some in there just to lubricate it, probably. I would assume Sage put that in there. Just to keep some lubrication, man. Anti-rust.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh yeah. Nope,
Okay.
nothing.
Now how am I going to get this off without the chain on there?
Get what off? Oh, if that was spinning, you can't. Well, you could put a piece of wood and shove a piece of wood and create a blockage.
Oh.
Right?
Right?
Right? It might just break the wood though if you don't get it good jammed in there.
I don't get a champion as yet.
Yeah, you're gonna break your wood.
Make sure my wood is tight.
Maybe you need 2.
Maybe.
Double
You
penetration.
never know, you know?
Oh man, this is gonna be technical. So you're going counterclockwise, it's gonna try to spin up.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty funny. That is pretty funny, dude.
Holy.
No? Is
There we
it,
go.
but it's holding position.
Yeah.
It's holding, it's holding.
It's holding, I got it.
Yeah. Brilliant, Marcel, brilliant. These little ideas just come to me.
You're so genius.
Get the wood out.
I guess the next thing is the oil coolant.
The oil coolant?
Oil cooler.
Oh.
The oil cooler.
Yeah, you're getting cooler by the minute. Let's get the oil coolant going.
Let's get the oil coolant.
You're gonna probably want some grease on there.
No. I go in dry, dude.
No, I meant for the oil lines at the
I always
end.
go in dry.
You get better feeling that way.
My wife likes it that way.
Well, you should. It's more important.
No, I do everything to please my wife.
Sure you do.
I'm a wife pleaser.
Yeah, you please all the wives.
I please all the wives.
Okay, where's that 15? Oh, there it is.
Oh, I can't get it on there.
Some
Can't push down on that.
Some pleaser you are.
It won't go in far enough. It's not long enough.
Classic.
I'm gonna need you to push down on the.
I just squished that copper washer.
Push the top of the cooler down. Till I can get it on there again.
So you needed some help, huh?
I needed some help to get it in there.
For these wife-pleasing activities.
My wiener is too short.
You barely have it in even. Oh, there we
I
go.
barely got it in.
Just the tip of the
My wiener's just too short.
All
That's
right.
what she tells me every time.
So these
Are you
things,
in? I'm like, no, I'm
man,
done.
you have this bolt in here real tight on this side.
Well, because I tightened up the clamp. I mean, it was in there. I rotated it around, but maybe it was just...
It was only one side of it, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Oops. Just a little. It's this damn washer is so damn thick.
Yeah.
It comes in the way. We're not getting...
Rubber's too thick.
Rubber's too thick. The bike doesn't go any higher, does it?
No, this is it, dude. Yeah, that's it.
I'm having to like bend my back. You can see why these manufacturer places, like a place that makes like, you know, the BMW factory or whatever.
Yeah.
You can see why they get robots to do all the lifting, you know, mechanical, and the guys control the robots to move the engine, to move the wheels.
Yeah.
Like they had a machine that picked up the rear wheel and then the guy would just guide it in and put the axle through, right?
Yeah, which makes sense.
Because you could think about the WCB claims when you hurt your back and you work in a
claims would be
factory.
terrible.
They're gonna pay $100,000 out because the guy's freaking disc blew up,
Yeah.
or a disc bulge,
And they probably still end up with those issues.
and you're gonna pay those issues for life.
Yeah.
So it's so much better to have a machine do all the lifting in a factory, and they'll save money big time.
Okay, there we go.
All right, other side. Almost looks like
Looks
it
like
didn't
it's
have
brand
oil.
new.
It's still a high flow.
Yeah.
It's not gonna do much. Fuck, this is a long bolt. Especially when you're not using a tool.
Yeah. Oh, I'm definitely using a tool.
I mean, I'm using a hand tool. Hand tool.
I know.
I want to use power. All right, bike's starting to look like a bike. Maybe we should do a story.
Sure.
Yeah.
You want to grab me a filter?
Oh yeah. Oh, I miss dirt biking. Oh shit. Okay, so we need an oil filter for QMAN. All right, EM122 for the BMWs. And oh yeah, let's get them like a washer. We could just add. Okay.
What else I just remember? We probably need some of your AMSOIL water coolant.
Water, yes, coolant boost.
Coolant boost.
You know, look what I found. I went and got just a little guy.
Oh.
You can stuff her under there. Should give us a little tightness.
Black.
Pre-filled filter. Ooh, and then of course on the nitro gasket. Once you get some oil in your finger after. Yep, yep. Coolant boost, huh?
Yeah, I'll need some coolant boost, I think.
Maybe I have one in here that's open. Dun, dun, dun.
Coolant boost in here that's open?
Yeah, right here. Add 2 ounces per quart. So it's probably, say, a 4-quart system. Where's your distilled water?
Oh,
Do you have distilled?
I don't think I have distilled water.
All right, we'll make a list, but I probably have some. So I found some distilled water. I can't say exactly, but it's got just over 2 quarts, about 2 liters. So we'll start with, so that drop it from 14 to 10 ounces. And we'll mix it into here. Mm-hmm. Keep going. Just for good luck, since we don't know, it's got a little more water in there. There. That should be a good amount of coolant boost. Somebody's messaging me.
Hot date.
All those instas.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got all the hose lines are all tight. This one, have you double checked this one ever?
Yeah.
And then the little guy, so I can start, I'll start to add coolant.
Add coolant.
And move out. And we'll pull that drain, that plug again to get rid of the last one. It's a good way to bleed it at the bottom.
Yeah.
The way I drain it initially. Oh, there he goes, right to the top. Okay, and QMAN's on to the beginning of the oil. Did I even tighten up that drain plug? Yes, I did.
I hope so.
It was with the 15. Oh yeah, I did. I crushed that washer. Crushed it. Crushed it indeed. While QMAN's filling up, might as well add to the story while I'm filming at the same time.
Want me to set the AMSOIL up in such a way so that you can... I can't pour anymore.
Yeah. There you go, guys.
There.
There's quart number 1. Well, it sounded good.
Sounded really good, actually.
Good, yeah.
Sounded actually better than the first time we had fired this up.
Of course, of course. Nothing.
Nothing yet.
Yeah, the thing takes 4 quarts with the filter. Plus all your oil lines are empty now. It'll take that full 4 quarts probably. Okay, we're coming on now. Yeah, so that's fine. You can put the cap on.
Yeah.
And the water level has dropped, yes. All right, let's fire her up again.
Hey, one sec, I want to get my...
Now that we topped up the AMSOIL, we can actually run the thing for a couple minutes. Dun, dun, dun.
The initial start sounds really good.
Yeah. Even with not even full oil. Exactly.
Yeah.
Normally, that's just that will have
Yeah,
a
just
sound.
make a little tick, 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 tick.
Something. I might as well film a story while I'm filming too. This is it, guys. The moment we've been waiting for. Wait, hold on.
All right, guys, exciting news. We have the motor in. The motor has been fully installed, all hooked up. Check it out, guys. We got the BMW motorcycle Superbike build going on, finishing it up. We got oil in there. We got the fuel tank back on. We got all electronics on. Got the muffler on, the headers. We have filled the oil to the oil fill line. The coolant, we just have to top up as we're about to start it up. And let's do this. Let's do this. All right. We got power. Woo! Turn off everything.
Your header was full of it, I bet.
Oh, full of it. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna smoke ourselves out of here, dude. Yeah, we're gonna get smoked pretty quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's all that pipe's probably just full of oil.
Oh yeah. At least not the muffler's not, but.
Tag you in this post.
Sounds really good.
Yeah, it sounds great. Perfect, pretty much.
Sounds perfect.
I should try to get a picture of the smoke echoing off. Here, give me a smile, bud. Like, get back up. Just right where you are. Yeah, there you go. Something for Facebook.
Alright.
With my head.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna drain this, I'm gonna get the air out. Listen, guys, I'm probably still recording. Yeah, just a little bit of air came out. Alright, let's start her up again.
She's alive! Woo! A little bit of smoking going on, but that's alright. Just the residual oil inside the drive, the header.
You can see it. You can see it just echoing off everything.
All the header.
Look at the oil, dude. It's just dripping.
The oil coming out of that drain. It's just dripping.
You just filled the muffler of oil, huh? That's where all the oil came on the track. It came out of your muffler?
That's all the smoke. All the oil stayed in my belly pan. I didn't lose the oil. Remember how much we drained out of it?
No, I mean, you must have lost some on the track.
I don't think I lost any on the track.
smoking out. No, it's not smoking out the muffler now, which is good.
Oh, that's good. So now it's just residual everywhere.
Off of the pipe.
Well, she definitely did too.
We're at 82 Celsius. We'll wait to 94. 85. Okay.
Slide that axle in for me.
Where is it? Oh,
Right there.
did you grease it?
I didn't. I'm just setting it in here for now. Anyways, I'll take it all apart. But
Well, I could grease it with some oil.
right there.
Oh, still got to go a little ways.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go. Thank you.
Okay. Let's get this thing up to 90. There, so that's how much it took.
That's it.
So, you know, less than 3 liters.
Yeah. I mean, I guess some might come out, right?
Not quite a gallon, no. Stop smoking now. It's not smoking. All right, there's 93 and 94. All right, oil will be up the temperature over time now. Okay.
It's just really dusty and really dirty now.
I'll send this at Hindle. At Hindle.
In the handle.
Might not be any. Yeah, she starts to squirt out. Okay.
A squirt.
Just a little bit. I should have had my eye protection for that. And then take the top off and we'll let the top sit all night open.
Just let it kind of do its thing.
Well, yeah, it'll just bleed up over time and the water level will drop. Just let it sit there like that. It's a good trick. You'll see it drop in the morning.
All right, guys, we got it completely done. The bike is running. Everything is great. No issues. The smoke is gone. The oil is at proper levels. The coolant is at the proper levels. We just got a little bit of residual oil that was in the original pipes that are just kind of dripping out for the night, which that'll burn off over time. No big deal. But that's it, guys. That is the 2016 BMW motor swap. Thanks to my buddy Marcel Irnie for helping me out for the last couple days.
No problem.
We probably got, what, 10 hours into it, maybe?
10
Probably?
hours of actual work
I don't
time?
know. 10 hours of filming and working and whatever. I don't know if it's 10 hours or not, but whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Thank you guys. Really appreciate you checking out my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. I am QMAN, and this is the adventures of QMAN.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.
If you actually break down the time, when did we start yesterday? We started, what the hell?
1-ish.
1, and then we went to like
4:30.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yesterday was like 3-4 hours,
Yeah.
say. And today we started at 3, 3, 4, 5, 2 hours. What?
2 or 3 hours today, so maybe 6
What time is it right now?
It's gonna be 6 o'clock, right?
6:30.
So say
So from 3.5 hours plus
say
6,
3.5 yesterday.
so 7 hours.
Okay, yeah.
So
That's not bad.
if
Really,
we were
maybe 7
charging
hours?
$200 an hour because
Well,
the two of us,
110 would be your average go, right?
there's 2 of us.
Yeah, the 2, yeah. So say $200 an hour, which would be a discount.
Times say 7,
7, yeah. so
$1,400
you're-
bucks.
Yeah, which is, that's probably a reasonable dollar for doing that, yeah.
All right, guys. So if anyone else wants mechanic work with the adventures of QMAN and Marcel,
All right.
we are open for business starting now.
Motorcycles, side-by-sides.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Diesel trucks.
No, yeah.
No diesel trucks, no diesel trucks.
No, we'll stick to motorcycles.
Motorcycles and side-by-side. Motorsport stuff.
Whatever fits in the shop.
Yes.
So yeah, and we only take cash.
Cash only. Pull, yeah?
Yeah, pull the valve cover and then all the head bolts. So I guess I could grab my tool and we'll get the coils
Yeah,
off.
that little tool.
I'm looking for the tool to remove the spark plugs. It's been so long. There it is. Just for those who are curious about the Seattle tools on the road. This is what I'm always moving with me. I bought this from Germany and I think it was like $50. And so it slots on the shape of the spark plugs.
Okay.
And then you can get a nice hold on them. Look at that. It's because it's the exhaust. And that's what, see how the system recirculates the air from the left to the right and then to the air box? It's all about emissions, right? Next step is we're gonna have to pull these off and pull out the cams to get access. See the head bolts, QMAN?
Yeah.
They're way in there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now obviously when you're tightening these down, there's gonna be an exact pattern and a certain torque to that same pattern where you initially torque them to this. There we go.
Oh yeah, she's starting to come there.
Oh, that one is really tight. Yep. There you go. Again, that hose removal tool, always on my list. Sometimes it's hoses.
Multiple hose.
Hose. You need a tool. Sometimes you need multiple tools for multiple hoses.
Multiple hose. Using lots of paper towel these days.
It's cheaper than paying labor.
Yeah.
They'll add that on your bill anyways.
bill.
Wait, there's
Shop supplies.
$25 of shop supplies. I guess you could take the bolts out, but that's an easier way to do it.
Oh, look at that piston.
Holy shit, dude. Okay. Wait, don't turn it upside down.